you very welcome back to Ireland AM, and Caryna has stayed with us.
Yes, now she's got a bit of a mixed bag here this morning, so tell us exactly what you're doing. It's a mix of what?
It is a mix of a brownie and a cookie, so it is a brookie. I was going to say a brownie. It's a brookie.
A brookie. We're making brookies this morning, guys.
We're making brookies.
So what's gone in here now?
So I'm going to start by I'm making two recipes today to make a brookie. I'm making a chocolate chip cookie recipe and I'm making a brownie recipe. So I'm going to start by making my chocolate chip cookie dough. So here I have butter, brown sugar, and a bit of vanilla mixed together.
And this is for the brownie.
This is for the chocolate chip cookie
this is
bit.
for the chocolate chip cookie.
And then once the butter gets soft like that, I'm gonna throw in one large egg. One large egg to break it up.
There we go.
And there we go. I'm just gonna scrape it down and I'll stir in my flour. Sometimes when you're whipping or when you're beating, kind of the butter goes to the back of the bowl or the bottom of the bowl. This one's a little bit jiggly. Anyway, like this. And you want to make sure that you have a nice even consistency to get a nice even cookie dough. So like that, I have in here, I have plain flour, I have baking soda, and I have salt.
Okay.
Just a pinch of salt, pinch of baking
salt,
powder.
a quarter teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
Stir that all up. And then I have chocolate chunks for this. You can have chocolate chips.
You should see the size of these. These aren't chips now. These are, you could sink a ship.
A ship with this chip.
If a ship hit it like iceberg sized.
That's how
I don't know
like
why a ship would sail directly into chocolate
chips, but there you go.
It's been a long morning.
You were definitely on too much processed foods this morning.
Listen, these are gonna perk you right up and it'll be like that never happened. And now I'm gonna that's my chocolate chip cookie dough. Easy as that.
I was gonna say, these are the two constituent parts of the cookie and a brownie. So now that you've done the chocolate chip cookie bit, could you just abandon chip and just say, back to the chips, could you just say we're making cookies now instead?
Sure.
That's you've got everything done.
Yeah, there.
Excellent.
You get a twofer. You have a cookie recipe and a brownie recipe. You can bake them separately if you want. Or you could be exciting and make a brookie.
Well, we're going to do this, yeah.
You make a brookie. So what's
now,
gone into this?
Brownie batter. For my brownie batter, I have cocoa powder, I have sugar, I have 2 eggs, I have vanilla. We'll whip that up a bit.
So vanilla in both of them?
Vanilla in both of them. I think vanilla really, to me, it makes the cake. You need salt and you need vanilla, and then you're halfway there. I have my melted butter. I'm gonna kind of trickle it in. You wanna make sure that your butter is not too hot because you have eggs in there. If your butter's too hot, you're gonna get scrambled eggs.
It's gonna scramble it, yeah.
You don't want that. Just until it's mixed. And then I would add my dry mixture, which is flour, baking powder, and salt again.
Oh my God, that looks gorgeous.
We've only just begun.
We've only just begun.
Give us that whisk there, Ellen.
Are you going to lick it? Are you going to lick the whip? Here we go.
Well, I'll give you a lick as
Man
well.
after my own heart,
lick it.
yeah.
No, you can. They're both
Waste
yours,
nothing.
darling. Go on, off you go, yeah.
You don't want to tongue me whisk. That's gorgeous, Caryna. I've saved you one.
You're okay. I'll let you have both.
That's an offer I can't refuse.
Did you ever see that meme? Where'd you learn to kiss like that?
That's how I practice.
So my brownie batter done. You could keep watching Ray, or you can watch.
No, back to the batter. You're filling the cups.
I mean.
Oh my God, it's done. It's actually gorgeous.
Follow your heart, yeah. So then I have my brownie batter.
So hold on. No, we have to see this. So what happens here? So the brownie mix is going in first.
My brownie is at the bottom.
Right.
And then I kind of fill the muffin cups. Now, I've done it in muffin cups. You can also do it in a tray if you want to. They're kind of half full. And now I'm going to top it with my chocolate chip cookie batter.
Okay.
So it's like what it says on the tin.
Yeah, that's a lot thicker though, isn't it? In terms of on top of the sort of wetter batter on the bottom, is it?
Yeah, but the wetter batter is because the butter was melted, and in the chocolate chip cookie dough, the butter was just soft. When these hit the oven, they're going to kind of be equalish.
same, okay.
They're going to equate. And you're going to pop these in the oven. You'd fill them all up. I have my brownie batter topped with my chocolate chip cookie dough. I bake that in a 180-degree oven for about 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven.
Okay.
And you want to make sure... Do you want to like this
I'm not eating that entire bowl.
He's loving it
I mean,
so
I have
much.
more food, guys, if you're hungry.
Why not?
I
Get your lunch
have
back.
some...
So they go in for how long? Sorry.
They go in for 25 to 35 minutes. Ray, do you want some cookie dough?
Oh, yes, please, yeah.
So
With those
that's raw
chunks.
cookie dough, though.
So baking is
I mean,
optional.
guys, I wouldn't recommend eating
Oh,
either
don't do it.
of
Okay,
those
sorry.
raw.
Well, in that case, I shouldn't be doing it.
Well,
What
I
about
was
the
going
raw
to say,
eggs?
why would
Just
you?
the raw eggs, yeah.
Why would you?
Eggs
Of course, yeah, sorry.
Free-range, large, free-range
Well,
eggs.
yes, bake
Okay.
it, absolutely. Safety first. Yeah, well, in that
Safety
case,
first.
I was
So-
going to eat it then and do that. Yeah.
Brookies here.
Brookies. Here we go.
Brookies, brownie and a cookie. These have the papers removed, and those are if you want your own little individual paper-wrapped brookie.
right, okay.
Take your choice.
They look
Have a bite. Let me
fantastic.
know what you think.
Oh, these are the ones removed already, so you're seeing right through it. So you just like that when you break it open. Look at this. Oh, yeah.
So the cookie dough sinks a little bit into it with the weight of those chocolate chips.
Yeah.
And you have a marbled effect, two slightly different textures, a 2-in-1.
That's absolutely sensational. And on the the cookie on the top it's actually quite cookie-ish. It's quite crisp. That's lovely.
Very unusual.
Yeah.
That's lovely. There's a
lot of chewing in this.
That's a full dessert, though, yeah, because
That's
you're
a full
brownie on the
dessert.
bottom.
Yeah.
Caryna.
Caryna, thank
Pleasure
you
as
so
always.
much for that. Lovely.
Let's head over to
Mirren,
work.
what's coming up tomorrow?
I
We'll
don't know.
save you some.
I don't know what just happened over there. That was the weirdest 6 minutes of this show ever.